This King Arthur Sourdough Crock uses thick borosilicate glass that does not react with acidic starter, helping maintain a clean, consistent flavor over time. The clear glass walls with subtle quarter-inch level markings make it very easy to see exactly how much your starter has risen and when it is ready to bake or needs feeding. Its 1.5-quart capacity comfortably holds enough starter for multiple loaves, so you can bake for a family or share with friends without juggling several smaller containers. The stainless steel lid rests lightly on top, allowing fermentation gases to escape while still keeping dust and kitchen odors away from your culture. Materials are free of lead, cadmium, BPA, and PFAS, which gives extra peace of mind when you are feeding a living starter that you will use regularly. Although it needs to be washed by hand, the smooth glass interior cleans quickly and does not hold on to dried starter, making regular maintenance straightforward.